do you introduce yourself in English? In this video, you're gonna learn what to say when you meet other people for the first time. Take a look at the example of basic introduction in English. Hi, my name's Esther Rianto. You can call me Esther. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Indonesia. I live in Bandung. There are 4 people in my family. They are my dad, my mom, my big brother, and me. I love my family. We are a happy family. I'm a student at SMAK2 BPK Penabur, Bandung. My favorite subject is English. My hobbies are traveling and listening to music. My favorite food is hamburger. My favorite drink is coffee. I like them. They are all delicious. That's all about me. Please tell me about yourself. Well, that's the example of self-introduction. Now you know how to introduce yourself to your new friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.